What do you see?
A ball.
A ball? You getting a book?
Books.
Oh, what do you see? Do you see a baby? What's that? Yeah, Deirdre, you need to give that book back to Cameron. Did you just say I did it? Do you ladies know your names?
A baby.
Oh, you see a baby? Yeah.
A piggy.
Mhm.
Baby. Ball.
Okay, that's cool. Can you say Cameron?
Didi.
Yes, that's Dee Dee. Can you say Cameron? Yes, Cameron. I love you.